In this video, I'm going to show you how to change out your wiper blades. Now, Advanced Auto offers this as a free service if you buy wiper blades at the store, but in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it on your own. The first step is to determine what size wiper blades you need. You can either measure the blade or look it up in the computerized system at Advanced Auto. Once you've purchased your new wiper blades, set a pad on the windshield to protect the glass while changing out the blades. This Honda Civic uses a hook-style clip, as most vehicles have. First, you'll remove the small clip on the blade and then slide the blade down to release it from the hook. Here it is from another angle. Once you've removed the blade, you can reinstall new wiper blades by reversing this process. Slide the blade onto the hook and reattach the clip. Some wiper blades snap into place with no clip. To remove these blades, there's a small lever underneath the blade. Simply pull this lever down while sliding the blade off of the hook. And that's it. That's how to change your wiper blades on 99% of the vehicles on the road today. I hope this video was helpful, and don't forget to think ahead, think advance.